Scrambled egg, winter melon, coconut milk rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the non-veg recipes and one of the most tastiest of the scrambled egg recipes and one of the most delicious of the winter melon recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most different of the fried rice recipes. Today we are going to make egg winter melon coconut rice. The ingredients are 2 tomatoes cut into pieces, 1/2 of a mace, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 25 grams of garlic, 1 onion cut into pieces, 25 grams of ginger, 25 shallots, and 2 to 3 red chillies, and 200 grams of winter melon peeled and cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour in a tin of oil. Let the oil get heated. Now put in the fennel seeds in the mace. Salt, until the scent comes out of the fennel seeds. Now put in the ginger and the garlic. Salt the ginger and the garlic together. The fennel seeds and the rest of the mixture. Put in the red chillies. Salt. Salt the red chillies to the rest of the mixture. Keep on salting. sort the shallots and onion together. Thoroughly salt. Put in salt to taste. Put in the winter melon juice. Mix. Mix the winter melon pieces with the rest of the mixture. Now break in 2 eggs. Let it cook for 30 seconds. Now scrambled eggs. The rest of the mixture and mix. Now pour in 250 ml of coconut milk. Mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for 6 to 8 minutes. Now put in the washed and soaked cup of rice after the required amount of cooking. Mix and let the mixture cook for 6 to 8 minutes if in the pressure cooker or 15 minutes if in the open pan. Now the scrambled egg winter melon coconut milk rice is ready, can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final scrambled egg winter melon coconut milk rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the non-veg recipes and one of the most delicious of the fried rice recipes and one of the most unique of the scrambled egg recipes and one of the most tastiest of the winter melon recipes and one of the easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.